mainit.
Number 5, mapamuhol ka na!
Hindi na ako maganda yun. Bakit po kami na yun? Tanda na talaga.
Alright, here in my hand right now are our winners for this Saturday. Once again, ang mananalo po will get to move on to the grand finals. And they get to take home 2,000 pesos. Non-winners, of course, the experience, na-expose tayo sa mga vlog natin. Thank you so much for vlogging. At the same time, 1,000 pesos each. Maraming salamat ulit sa ating dear sponsors. That's Finest and Baby Chows. 14 Fragrances and Marcos Swimwear. To our judges, palakpakan po natin. Palakpakan natin si Ms. Jen Goy Venancio. Si Mr. Carlo Martin, ladies and gentlemen. At syempre, maraming salamat sa ating choreographer, Mr. Chester of DTM and Treasurer of Pasig. Nasa kanya po ang kaban. And of course, last but not the least, to join me here on stage now, again, our fashion stylist and designer, Mr. Jonathan Alegre. Alright, this time around, we have a twist. Tatuhanin ko muna lahat ng babes na papasok, then I'll call in the hunks. Alright? Dito po ulit ako sa aking favorite position. Ang mystery shopper lang ako, di ba? Nakatago. Okay. Easy task. Hindi ko kaya, natatawa ka. Easy task ni Ranga Complex. Simulan na natin to. Sino sa palagay niyo ang unang babe na mag-move on sa grand finals? Si babe number 5, April B. Congratulations! You are the first babe to move on to the grand finals. We'll see you, of course, on the fashion show that is on June 8th.
Number 5, congrats!
Very quickly, gusto ko na sabihin, since nanalo ka na naman, I get to see you at the grand finals, kind of remind us of Elle, our previous competitor as well. Of course, Elle can be here very quickly. She's going to be part of Miss Universe. So kindly support her as well. Diba? Taray, diba? Ng mga winners natin. Nagiging part ng Miss Universe. Ito na, ang susunod na sasali kay April. Walang ibang kundi si babe number 1, Bianca Paredes. Di pa po ako tapos. May sasama pa po sa kanila. At siya ay si babe number 4, Trisha Valdez. Congratulations to the babes, but I'm not done yet. Di pa po ako tapos. Alright, ang susunod po pong tatawaning babe, ang huling babe na papasok sa grand final. So the other babes na hindi po makakasali, maraming salamat po. Of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagsali sa pageants. And this might be your stepping stone to the next stardom. Ang last babe na sasali sa grand finals ay si babe number 3, Hazel Cayetano. We do apologize to ubusan na the sash sa dami na nakamove on to the grand final this time around. Now we move on to the hunks. 5? Wala namang 5 sa hunks. Parang lagi kami nakikita, di ko nakikita. Wala yung pa-November. Alright! Ang unang mag-move on sa grand finals in no apparent order is hunk number 4. Moms and babes, kindly block off your dates and we hope we get to see you on June 8th. Alright, I know it's kind of far back, pero please, I would love to see you guys again on June 8th. Sana wala mangyari ko naman. June 8th and June 15th, nag-block off po yan. Alright, basta ko wala. Ang dami ko sinasabi. Hindi niyo totoo. Basta lang. The Joy, John, and Andre is home number 3, Mark Anthony Pabilan.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Isama na natin. Kasama ngayon. Hawk number 2. Ricardo Austria Outdoor Hawks. We're moving on to the grand finals. Alright. Bisita sa mga flags. Palamakan natin ang ating Hawks and Phillies on them. We'll get to move on to the grand finals of that show. Thank you so much, Sir John at the Ranger, for assisting me. At to say that I got 2,000 pesos. At big chance mag-pick para maging ating Summer Boys Quest Year 15 Hump and Babe of the Year. This is Sigler once again. We'll see you again next year on the hottest show in the best show. This is Summer Boys Quest Year 15.